there is an individual that's deceased here. Having said that, you can't really ignore the fact that this individual, Miss Jarguay, is 46 years old, has no prior convictions whatsoever, and is a low risk per the assessment form. I think there are obviously conditions that you can impose to alleviate any concern about any future conduct that's alleged to have been similar to this particular charge here. With that, there's conditions to include high-level electronic monitoring, no driving, the alcohol and drug monitoring, and the other conditions that you think are appropriate. In speaking with Jarguay, she indicated that she's lived in Nevada for approximately 20 years. She moved from California. She's currently unemployed, but only in the sense that she's a full time mother. She currently takes care of her autistic 3-year-old baby. She also has, in addition to that baby, 6 kids total. Three that live with her. Again, a 3-year-old, a 16-year-old, and a 21-year-old, and three that don't live with her, only in the sense that they're adults and that they have their own residences, I believe, here in Nevada. She is residing with her 3 children and with her husband in an apartment, has lived at the same address for approximately 16 years. Her husband is employed in roofing. She indicated his monthly income varies, but he makes approximately $2,800 a month. I don't know if she's in a position to post any amount of bail. It might be with the aid of any family members that reside here locally. But again, I just think that there are conditions that you can impose to alleviate any concern that the state has brought up today. Also, importantly to point out, this is not a case of fleeing the scene of an accident. She obviously, something occurred, she stopped, and she did wait for law enforcement to come. So I think that goes to her credit as well. Given all that, Judge, I'm prepared to submit it to your discretion, only to point out those things out in mitigation.
My name is Nakaya, and I'm his oldest daughter. And I just wanted to make this video because I just feel like everything's not fair. My dad was taken from us the very first day of the year, and I just think it's not fair that they were talking about bail and talking about how she has a family and she has kids and things like that. But she intentionally got in the car while intoxicated, and she intentionally drove that day, not caring about who was on the road or anything like that. So she wasn't thinking about her kids at that time. So I don't understand how that is even a topic right now. I'm sorry. I'm usually not like, I'm usually more compassionate and understanding, but this I just can't understand. This is not fair. Patricia, what you did is not fair. And you deserve whatever is coming to you.